How to use Zelle with Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can use Wells Fargo with Bank of America application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Bank of America application and sign in into your account. Once you're logged in and once you see this kind of interface, navigate to the bottom of the interface. There's an option as Pay and Transfer, so tap on that option. And on the next page, you will see this kind of interface. From there, you have to select Zelle. If prompted, accept all the Zelle terms and conditions to enroll using your email or phone number. But if you have already enabled, inside the Zelle screen, you have to search for an option as Send. So tap on Send and then tap on the plus icon to add someone. Then you have to add the recipient email address or their phone number, which must be enrolled with Zelle as well. After that, you have to confirm the recipient's name when it appears. Once you're done with adding your recipient, then tap on Send option, choose the contact and enter the amount and also the funding account. Review all the details carefully and then tap on Send. If it's your first payment with the person, then they may send you a verification code via text, so complete the verification. And once your fund is completely sent, it will typically transfer within minutes. So if the recipient is already enrolled in a Zelle, it will be transferred within a minute. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.